What's up, Rockers and Rebels? It is Ruby, and it is time for Not a Makeup Tutorial, the show where we take other people's work and pass it off as our own because, let's face it, there are no original thoughts. So I have a new setup. I'm actually sitting at my desk this time instead of in front of the window, and I still need to block that because it's very bright. I'm sorry, and I know there's a glare. I'm still working on the lighting, okay? I'm just happy I have a real tripod. This is the first makeup video I am recording since being in quarantine. And it is also the first day that I'm going back to work after quarantine. Technically, we're still in quarantine now, but one of my jobs is allowing us to come in, so I thought, why not put a face on for it? Technically, it's only half a face, though, because, you know, I'm going to be wearing a mask, so we don't have to worry about this, so yay. Today's video is by Belle Jordan. It is the anti-prom grunge makeup tutorials. So let's take a look-see. I apologize for my hair. I just got out of the shower and I don't like using a hair dryer. Probably gonna have to after this. So for now, this is what you get. Okay, let's go. You are really pretty, madam.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hello.
So today I am doing a
Your lips are gorgeous.
I'm
jelly. I didn't even go to my prom. I don't see the point.
First of all, I'm going to moisturize my skin.
It does not.
Tarte Brighter Days moisturizer.
I'm already moisturized. Thank you very much.
Honestly, your foundation will look beautiful on top of it. And then I'm going to prime my eyes.
Okay, first things first. Get rid of that. Oh my gosh, I look sunburned. Promise I'm not. Actually, I got tan. You can't tell because lighting, but I got really tan, y'all. I look sunburned. Oh my gosh. She is wearing lace kitty cat ear headband, so this is what's happening.
I have on the eyelids. It just gives you a really clear
canvas
for your eye makeup. And I'm also bringing that
I'm just gonna do this.
at the inner corner.
Ow! Oh, that's gross.
And really
slapping it on, slapping it on everywhere.
Eyes first, and we are going to blow the eyeshadow outward. Just make sure that you blow it out at the outer corner.
Oh, I'll blow it up, don't worry. I don't know if you could tell earlier, but I cut my own bangs, and that was an ordeal. But because I did that, I don't feel the need to care about my eyebrows, which is not a good thing. But, I mean, they cover everything. They cover all of this, so that is why my eyebrows be looking cray-cray again. It's gonna be dark tonight, and I'm gonna be inside a bar. It's gonna be dark. No one's gonna really see, so.
And then I'm taking Illamasqua Sex eyeshadow, which is my favourite white eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna highlight my...
Why do so many eyeshadow and makeup companies, like, have such inappropriate names? Sex, orgasm. Those are the only two I can think of. But we are not white anymore. I look white on here, I know, but I'm not. I got tan, I promise. So we're gonna take this thing, and I guess we'll go with that one. Sure, we'll do that. Foxy, Foxy, what's it gonna be? Foxy, Foxy. I'm probably putting way too much on, but who cares? These are trying times. If there was ever a time to make mistakes and try new things, it's now.
As long as you're using like a nice, warm, peachy colour.
Peach. Going in this thing, and that one is peachy. Sure, we'll go with that. She's just like swiping it all in here.
Amazing, like mustard, grungy. I just love this colour so.
Mustard? So once again, we're going old with BH Cosmetics. And this is that, yeah. First of all, who designed this? This is, no. Can I use the same brush? I'm gonna use the same brush. So, pretty much in the crease. Oh, Nelly! Oh. Oh, that's so bright. Oh, merciful heavens. Okay, okay. Eek! I have regrets. Just remember, Bob Ross said there's no mistakes, only happy accidents, so. A brown. Actually, yeah, this, there's shimmer in here. Did I mention that I have to be at work in like 2 hours? This looks like it. Sure, we'll go with that.
What I'm doing is just placing that into the crease first and just marking out where I want that colour. And then once you're happy with the shape, then you can start blending. And again, we're blending that in at the inner corner in circular movements, and then we're going to blend it out at the outer corner as well. Just make sure that it's super soft, super blended out, and that there's no harsh edges. I am just...
So we're basically just covering all the yellow, which is good because that was not cute at all. Can't even see what kind of shape you're going for.
Out. Start creating the spotlight. So I'm going to take this
spotlight
right here.
Do I have a maroon? Mr. Jeffrey Lynn, come through. Fresh meat. Going with that.
Small domed blending brush, and I'm just going to gently start.
And we're just like packing that in. Oh, this looks really bright, but we're going with it. And she's just packing it on the corners, right? You bring it. Okay, she is bringing this out a little. Oh, Fluffy. Is it you? Yeah, it's you. Dirt brown. That's what we need. Dirt brown. Jeffrey, do you have a dirt bar? Yeah.
And I'm applying this in the exact same way that I applied the red eyeshadow beforehand. I'm just using a smaller pencil brush to do this, just to make sure that the dark brown shade is more concentrated to the lid than the red shade that we laid down before.
This is looking kind of cool, not gonna lie. White, light, somewhat shimmery color. We'll go with that. It's like a shimmery pinky color. Tappa, tappa, tappa. I can't wait to see how horrible or possibly amazing this looks in an actual mirror.
It together because we are going to apply some glitter over the top. Just make sure that
we don't have glitter because glitter is very bad for the environment. I have this. It's very shimmery. And then I also have this, which seems like just straight glitter. But we just do shimmery. Yeah, we'll just go shimmer. Oh yeah, there we go. There she blows. Am I brave enough to try a liquid wing? Why not? Can you see that? It looks like there's already a little wing. How funny. I don't trust anybody who can do this and keep their mouth closed. Like, how she is looking so, like, poised and polished doing this is witchcraft. This is the best we can do right now. Oh, it's so thick. I don't like it. But if we try to fix it, it's just gonna look more like caca, so... Oh well. How anyone can get so close to the lash line is beyond me. Look at the point of this. It's like bent over. Why are you like this?
It's no filter blurring primer. Honestly, this stuff is amazing. It keeps my
we're using
all day, and
BB cream. So we have gotten tan. Merciful heavens. So we don't know what kind of skin color we are anymore. We don't know why we're speaking in fourth person. Is it called fourth person? Why am I even putting anything on my forehead? No one's gonna see it. Honestly, I think I'm gonna keep the whole like mask thing going even after this pandemic is over because it just hides everything and it's wonderful. A plum eyeliner pencil. I do not have that, but we have good old extraction, so let's do that. Oh yeah, that looks kind of cute. This is actually something that I would contour and bronze with, but since I am kind of bronze right now, oakley dokley. So now I'm gonna go do something about this hair situation and we'll take a look-see. Okay, here we go. This looks super cute. Super cute. I love it. I love this. Yo, this may be a go-to for me. Ooh, yes, who is she? I like it. So here is the complete look. What do we think? Does it match pretty well? I think it matches pretty well. And this is so cute. My friend makes it. She's amazing. Love her to death. Yes, I am loving this. Okay, so that is all for today's episode of Not a Makeup Tutorial. Thank you for watching. Check out the actual video in the link down below. And I'm gonna put a link to my friend's shop on Etsy for these because these are so cute and they have a pocket for filters. And yo, I'm feeling myself. I kind of hope it's really busy tonight now so people can appreciate this. Watch the cops come shut us down though. Probably will happen, but okay. Thanks for watching. Bye!